To create a value scale with my pencil, first I'm going to define the space that I'm going to use. I'm going to use a 1 by 5 inch rectangle. Next, I'm going to use my pencil kind of sideways so that I can write in kind of ovals, and I can build up color gradually. This is going to be my dark end, this will be my light end, so this end can actually stay the white of my paper. And this I'm going to try to get as dark as I can. By drawing in a circular motion, I've avoided having streaks on my paper. So I'm going to move on to the next one. It doesn't need to be as dark, so I'm not going to push as hard at first, because I can always add dark, but it's hard to take the dark away. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to leave it. I can always make it darker in the end if I want to, and go on to this one. This should be my middle shade. Right. So I've created two shades that are almost the same. I'm going to try to make this one in between these two. So I think that looks a little bit nicer, a little more gradual. This one I'm going to barely draw on my paper at all, but I'm still going to do that circular motion so I get a nice even color. This is white, so this needs to be very, very, very light. I have another way that I can make a value scale. I'm going to define the same space, the 1 by 5 inch rectangle. This one I'm not going to divide into boxes. I want to do a continuous value scale from dark to light. So I'm going to start with my dark and like gradually, don't press as hard. Remembering that I can always add more dark, but it's hard to take it away. Right, now I'm going to clean up the edges a little bit, and you can see that my values in both scales match in about the same place, so I know that I did it right. And those are two ways to make a value scale.